Alright, so today I'll show you how to disassemble a floppy drive for whatever reason you may have for doing that. So things you'll need is a floppy drive, of course, and a screwdriver. In fact, just to get this top cover off, the only thing you really need the screwdriver for is if there's a screw here that's holding the cover on. Otherwise you can usually just pop. There's four tabs, one here, one here, one here, and one here on every floppy drive. You can usually just pop those off. But this one is stupid, so it has a screw here that I'll just take out. It's hard because my screwdriver is partially stripped out. That aside. And you can usually get it off with your finger or a flat screwdriver, whichever one you have, which is hopefully not required to have a screwdriver. I've done this before, but for some reason it doesn't want to budge when I'm on camera. There we go, yeah. Just like that. So you can see it has separated on that side. And it just comes off. This one was made by Alps Electronics Corporation Limited in the year of, I don't know, it just says February 10th. Kinda weird. Made in China. Piece of crap. No, I don't know. Who cares? This is the internals of your floppy drive, so got your eject button, your dust shutter. So when you put your floppy drive in, try to get a front view of this. You put it in, you notice this dust shutter pushes upwards. The disc kind of pushes against this little kind of retention thing right here. So when you push it, it pushes it farther, and as you push it, this retention thing pushes the shutter on the floppy disk open, and the whole drive assembly is forced on this little rail and then forced downwards by that rail, and it locks into place, and the head goes down onto the disc. And when you eject it, the head lifts off, and it's pretty much the exact thing in reverse. So yeah. So the next step to disassembling this floppy drive would be to do something. I'm not really too sure what I'll have to take off next. I've never taken one of these Alps ones apart before. So you probably have to just do the exact same. What the hell? This screw. It's kind of doesn't really want to move. Okay, it's coming now, I think. I'm not sure. Keep those if you care about your floppy drive. No, come on. Sometimes you just gotta push down on the top of the screwdriver bit and it's gonna go now. Yep. They can get stuck after being tightened in place for 10 years, which is totally expected. So now you can just grab it the base. And usually it comes off, but in this case it's not. Oops. Okay, I think that's prying it back on. Well, this sucks. Interesting. Okay. Alright, there we go. There's the bottom. Don't need, well, we do need that if you want to put it back together, but here's the internals. So, oh crap, it looks like there's another screw to remove. That's just dandy. Oops. The screw just starting to stick to my screwdriver, which is magnetic, which is also a bad idea. Around a floppy drive, and that one's also kind of stuck. Ow! I should probably get the screws at the back of my screwdriver because it's pushed in and stabbed my hand. Damn you, screwdriver. Seem to have gotten it freed up now. Okay then, put that aside somewhere. Oh, what the crap. Guess what? There's 3 more screws. Nice. That's just dandy. So there's 1, 2, 3 screws. One's under that ribbon cable. That's great. That's just great. Oh, I might add that's probably a bad idea to push the heads into something. But oop. Well, I just totally screwed the dust shutter in the ass. You can see that there. It's completely done. Alright, there we go. Fixed it. Oops. Okay. Take that and put it over here too. Alright, so when we grab this, alright, this is holding the big pancake motor in place. Which... oh crap, that's not good. The ribbon cable is soldered here and here. I can't remove it. Well, damn it. Looks like we'll be taking the circuit board off too then. Crap. No, actually, no, let's screw it. Yeah, okay, whatever, I'll take the circuit board off. Okay. Did not want to take that off, but, you know, whatever. No, right, one more screw. I really don't want to wreck this floppy drive. Okay, my floppy drive is being a dumbass, but anyway, the point is, there's a huge freaking pancake motor under there, like, it's about like that. On older floppy drives, you'll be able to see that right from the bottom of the drive, because they don't have this shield. But that's, yeah. Anyway, can't really disassemble this more than it is, but I can disassemble some smaller things, such as the button can come off of here somehow. There's a little clip right there. If you push that in and pull downward, it'll come off like this. Oh shoot, okay, no. Or whether I pull downwards or upwards. It's upwards. Yeah. Push down, and then up, and it'll come off. So, push that tab back, and oh, okay, yeah, nice. Stuck it right in the dust shutter. Oh, I hit the camera with the Floppy drive. Oh, nice, now it's stuck. Great. Oh, this sucks. I should probably... I know here. Alright. Try and put the... I'll hold that there. Here's the button. The dust shutter. What you can do is you can kind of bend it a bit, like flex it, and then there's just these things will be inside the hole right there, and you'll just kind of pull that out and one thing I'll mention is, oh crap, is there's a little spring here that you probably want to keep so the dust shutter goes back down, or so it stays up and doesn't go down when there's a disc in there, because, well, that would kind of suck if it went down on you and there's a disc in there, because it wouldn't be coming out anytime soon. So, yeah. Oh, where'd it go? So that spring, here's the dust shutter, here's your drive. So, one thing you may notice is the disc will actually, when rejected, it will go farther out of the drive than it did with the dust shutter. Like, it came almost all the way out of the drive. Let's try again. It just threw the disc onto my arm. Yeah. So that proves that these dust shutters slow down the path of the disc so it doesn't go flying onto your arm. So, like, seriously, before it would only come out like that much, just enough so you could grab it, and now it's like comes out so that you could pretty much run into it and it just fell out. And even if it's on just the slightest tilt, okay, got caught. Try that again. Slightest tilt, comes right out. So yeah, interesting. To put it back together, you do the exact same thing, just reversed. So yeah, you will notice the head here, and there's some grease there. That's, oh, I thought it was dried up. It's not. Okay, so the head slides back and forth while reading the disc, according to this stepper motor over here, which is kind of interesting. some of them are the heads are driven from the pancake motor. This one is a separate motor. So yeah, this drive was probably made around 1998 it was pulled from an OEM computer, probably one of the first black computers ever made. I forget what it was. But yeah, that's how you would disassemble one if you could. Disassemble yours. If yours isn't one of these, you could take if it has this cover, you could take these screws out, pull it out, pull this up so you can see the pancake motor, and do whatever you want with it. And then for the circuit board, you take this screw out, and this screw out, and then on the top, there's these two tower things. You would just okay. Yeah, what you do is you just grab the plastic and pull up. And there's two ribbon cables that you have to place exactly right to get it back in, so that's why I'm not taking these ones out. So I'll be here for hours trying to put it back together. But yeah, this is a good way to clean your floppy drive to keep it working longer. Or if you just have an old floppy drive and you want to screw with it. So yeah, that's about it. So probably make another video today about something, so until then.